This year, for the second time in a row, I'm a semi-finalist to become a Mr. Zimbabwe in the Misters of Zimbabwe modeling pageant. And I wanted to just share with you like the spirit in which I entered and the spirit in which I always enter, like anything at all. But also I wanted to share the power with you of this method, and the way in which I enter is in the spirit of play. Last year I entered the pageant just because I saw activity, I was interested, and also for no reason at all. You are at your most powerful when you're casual, yeah? And also you're at your most graceful when casual. When you're engaging in something because you like it, you'll become powerful within the area. Or just for fun or for no reason at all, but just because you're interested. You'll be most powerful in this area. The person who is running to a destination will never run as far or as fast as the person who enjoys running. You know? And the person who can run for no reason at all. That's the most powerful person in a room. I'm not saying that I then become the most powerful model within the Misters of Zimbabwe pageant. In fact, I'm a non-model. Meaning, I'm modeling and I'm learning the art and I'm learning the aesthetic. I'm actually a photographer by profession and by trade. And this is actually me learning aesthetics from both sides of the cameras. It's just, I'll do well no matter what I do because I have powers. And these are the exact powers. The power to be casual, the power to show up, the power to sort of do something randomly and just for fun. And they sound like not quite powers, but there are universal elements to everything, yeah? And understand that the same principle by which you get good at that video game that you're good at, the same principle by which you become good at playing tag or hide and seek, the same principle is the one that will make you good at whatever it is that you go into now. Meaning, should you model and model and model and you're sort of messing around, you're playing at it, you're having fun, you're learning the techniques, you're learning the ways, you're learning the how-tos, you know? And you're learning to become your own variant of this thing. This is how winning is done. Winning is done casually. Notice the way Usain Bolt behaves towards the end of the finish line. He might look back at Justin Gatlin. He might look like, you know what I mean? He might look at he might look at Tyson Gay and like maybe like slightly his form will be off, but you'll see in the pros of the world, you'll see that they're in the spirit of play. You'll see that Ronaldo is in the spirit of play, and so is Messi. Even in the most serious moments, you won't find them ultra serious. And I wanted to share with you this power today because seriousness will swallow you up in life. It will add to your weight. It will make you less able to gracefully sort of run on the leaves as if it's a Chinese movie. You know, you can't have weight on you if you're going to do that. You can't have weight on you if you're going to fly. So I wanted to remind you to lighten up, because your power doesn't come in density. It comes in lightness. Your power doesn't come in the solemn seriousness in life. It comes in the happiness.